Good evening, Bharat. 30th of April. We are almost from the 30th of Jan to the 30th of April. We have fought COVID-19 together. We have done a fantastic job so far. 3 days to go for lockdown 2.0 to end. The challenge in front of us is how do we take this forward? Well, so somewhere if companies are given a hint in advance that we're going to allow you to start opening up and you are going to be able to start functioning at least at 50%, if not at 100%, then they can give some hope to those labor who are trying to move away. So, I'm just
a plan between the red zones,
right,
the orange zones, and the green zones, and that obviously we need to wait for the Honourable Prime Minister or the government, whatever, to announce that set of guidelines. But currently,
I agree.
In certain states, activity has started. In certain states which are red, it hasn't started. And I'll just, sorry to interrupt you, but in Gurgaon, for example,
correct,
I know personally of a factory that wants to start, has already made the application, has spoken to the people, but is awaiting that final protocol to fall in place with the Haryana government.
Deepak Singhal ji, thank you for your patience. It's a mammoth nightmare. It's a bureaucratic nightmare. And I'm coming to you last because this is the biggest challenge is for the bureaucracy to implement it. अब आप उत्तर प्रदेश, you are former chief secretary उत्तर प्रदेश, अब उत्तर प्रदेश को ले लीजिए, अगर आप 10 लाख माइग्रेंट लेबर की वापसी की बात कर रहे हैं आप, so imagine the challenge that is going to happen if they are all going to come. Each nodal officer in each district has to create for quarantine facilities for these people at 40 degrees temperature. It can't be outdoor facilities. They have to be covered facilities. There has to be a certain level of provisions that have to be made. Then there has to be regular monitoring and screening which has to be done. But the bigger part is इनको लाएंगे कैसे वापस? Because अपने खर्चे पे अगर नहीं आ सकते तो आप कितनी बसें भेजेंगे? कितनी दूर भेजेंगे? How much of a distance can and this can be done by road? From Kota to Guwahati, they did, these students, but this is artists. So these are challenges which are nightmarish for the bureaucracy. At a time when you also have to facilitate the opening of economic activity.
आनंद, आपने एक टर्म यूज़ किया मास घर वापसी, and when you say mass घर वापसी to the state or people coming from that side to this side, we have to start from the global perspective and the national perspective. Globally also, a lot of people are looking forward to come back to India. So, and from the various parts of the country, people are looking back to go back nearest to the homes. So, I like to put forward an out-of-box think tank, which we have worked out between ourselves. And we have to think that how can we work out a new kind of economic thinking. अब एक नया किस्म का सोचें, स्वराज का सपना, जिसमें कि आप हैप्पी, हेल्दी, प्रॉस्परस और सेल्फ रिलायंट इंडिया ब्लॉक के किनारे बताएं. देखिए ये छोटी, इट्स नॉट अ स्मॉल प्रॉब्लम वेयर यू सेइंग दैट 20 days पीपल विल गो बैक टू देयर इंडस्ट्रीज. इट्स अ लॉन्ग टर्म प्रॉब्लम. कोई जो आदमी आज लौट के आ रहा है, ही विल नॉट गो बैक आफ्टर 20 days बैक टू बॉम्बे और समवेयर एल्स. यू नो, जो उसको आना है वो यहीं रहेगा, जो उसको वापस जाना है उसके लिए इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू गो बैक इन द करंट सर्कमस्टांसेस. So whatever we have to think, so at the national level or the state level, we have to reorient and rethink our economic policies, and we have to say, you know, this country has got 6,000 blocks. We have to reorient economy nearest to the block level. We have to modernize our agriculture and allied activities, milk industries, all kind of industries coming to the block level. When we started an urban-rural mission in India, if these urban-rural missions become successful in a short time, and we increase the infrastructure fund, which Honorable Prime Minister said that infrastructure pipeline will come into India short. So this infrastructure has to be strengthened at the block level. Instead of, and we have to think of Swaraj. After all, Gandhiji said Swaraj. You know, he meant in the economy, because in today's context, if we go nearest to the this debate should start. This is not the correct model which we have thought that people will run away from their places and go for kind of jobs nearest to the urban areas, and rather say they should reverse back. And you have yourself said in so many times that environment is getting cleaner, everything is getting clearer. When the people are more nearer to their गाँव, they will be more happy. If अगर उनको खाने पीने को अच्छे पैसे मिलते हैं और खेती बाड़ी में अच्छे पैसे मिलते हैं, why will they like to do a नौकरी somewhere else, you know? So we have to reorient, rethink. We have farming and agricultural activities has to be transformed from traditional method to the new method, new technology, new thinking, health and education at the rural level. These has to be, ये सबको एक साथ पैकेज के रूप में देखना पड़ेगा. आपके चैनल में भी कोई लड़का काम करता हुआ क्यों आएगा यहाँ पे नौकरी करने के लिए, अगर उसके गांव में अच्छा काम मिल रहा होगा? ये आपको सोचना चाहिए कभी इस बात के लिए. तो ये सारी रिओरिएंटेशन का, जहां तक इसका चैलेंजेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव है, आपने कहा, that एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव चैलेंज इसको वापस करने का है, ये बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है। इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दिस कि आदमी 4-6 लाख आदमी यहाँ से बस में बैठे और वहाँ पहुँच गए, फिर उसके बाद रास्ता है, फिर उसको सफ़र तय करना है। एंड माई ओनली suggestion, small suggestion is that instead of quarantining them at the state headquarters and the district headquarters, is it better to take them to the nearest to their route, that is their school. हर गांव में, यूपी में हर गांव में there is a प्राइमरी पाठशाला, वहाँ एजुकेशन कुछ नहीं होने वाली अगले 3-4 महीने। उस प्राइमरी पाठशाला को यू कैन कन्वर्ट इट टू क्वारंटाइन सेंटर, सो पर्सन विल बी हैप्पी, उसके घर के परिवार के लोग आके वहाँ से उससे मिलेंगे रोज, वो 14-15 दिन में क्वारंटाइन हो जाएगा और अपने पास अपने घर में चला जाएगा शांति से, और फिर देखेगा मुझे रोजी रोटी वहाँ पे कैसे कमानी है
जी।
तो गवर्नमेंट्स को अपना एम्फेसिस ब्लॉक्स और विलेज की तरफ मोड़ना पड़ेगा। We have to reorient our thought. I am again re-emphasizing, and I'm sure you would like to raise a debate. Nalin ji should also try a debate at the national level. Do we have to reorient our economy?
Right.
Because we are talking big things. We'd get a Chinese investment in India.
No,
this investment in India.
That is the next step. That is the next step.
Investments will come back. That step will, that investment doesn't
दीपक जी सॉरी,
reality for years.
मैं आपको इंटरप्ट इसीलिए कर रहा हूं क्योंकि जो आपने मुद्दा आज रखा है, जो आपने 30 अप्रैल को मुद्दा रखा है, वही डिबेट का मुद्दा मंडे को है। मंडे 4 मई को यही मुद्दा है कि डू वी नीड टू रीओरिएंट आवर पॉलिसीज। आई एम ऑलरेडी थिंकिंग बिकॉज वी वुड हैव नोन फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट बाय देन, द प्राइम मिनिस्टर वुड हैव स्पोकन एंड देयर वुड हैव बीन गाइडलाइंस व्हिच वुड हैव कम। द आइडिया इज दैट दोज हु आर गोइंग बैक, से पूनम जी, आई एम गोइंग टू क्विकली कम अक्रॉस टू यू, आई हैव लिमिटेड टाइम, सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू सी इफ आई कैन गो बैक टू एम्बेसडर त्रिगुणित एंड पूनम जी वंस अगेन। पूनम जी, द फैक्ट इज
small thing, Anand, I would like to say
जी जी नलिन जी, कमिंग टू यू वन सेकंड, या बोलिए दीपक जी जल्दी।
मैं आपसे सिर्फ कह रहा हूं कोई ऐसा मॉडल सोचिए जो एग्रीकल्चर एलाइड एक्टिविटीज की जीडीपी 8% कैसे पहुंचे, बस एक मूल मंत्र ये है। और लोग बाग अपने गांव में नौकरी करें, गांव में काम करें, ब्लॉक तक लाएं, उससे ऊपर फॉरवर्ड लिंकेज प्रोडक्ट का हो दुनिया में। अगर 200 करोड़ की सब्जी लंदन जा सकती है पिछले 4 दिन पहले, तो वो फरह ब्लॉक से मथुरा से भी जा सकती है, फूल यहां से भी जा सकते हैं। सिर्फ आपको अपने जो हमारे पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं उनको ब्लॉक पे कैसे रोकना है, इसकी एक स्ट्रेटेजी बनाइए और एग्रीकल्चर की वो करिए, और इंडस्ट्री जो
मैं वही बात पूछ रहा था सर। आपने 2-3 बातें कही है, बहुत पते की बात कही है, एंड वील टेक दिस फॉरवर्ड। ए, ब्लॉक लेवल इकोनॉमिक्स, कैन वी लुक एट इट एंड पॉलिसी मेकिंग। बी, कैन वी लुक एट रिटेनिंग दोज पीपल हु आर गोइंग बैक टू देयर बेस टू स्टे देयर एंड अर्न देयर लाइवलीहुड देयर, बिकॉज दैट विल ऑल्सो रिड्यूस द प्रेशर ऑन द मेट्रोज. That will also reduce the pressure on our city systems, which are also getting a breather right now because of this big load getting off their shoulders. Poonam ji, and then Nalin and Ambassador Trigunit. We'll end with Ambassador Trigunit. Yes, Poonam ji.
I really welcome this debate initiated by the former Chief Secretary of UP. We have very little in our villages in terms of job creation, and this is a great opportunity. I think there are opportunities to work at the district level, but we need to get some very fine minds looking at with the government, within Niti Aayog, outside, because we've gone through now the emergency phase is over and we are going to be able to deal with the transition. I think on our own, we can't just depend on the government at this point. We need to bring innovations and a new way of thinking.
So the Swaraj model of economics will be the topic for debate on the 4th of May. I am announcing it today on the 30th of April, and I look forward to you and Deepak ji joining me again then.
So I believe that they are here for a long haul, and we know that there are a lot of, as Deepak said, we have to create industrial entrepreneurship closer to the clusters. In the rural clusters especially.
Yes. Sir, so the Swaraj model of economics will be debated on the 4th of May, which makes for a fascinating discussion. And the fact is, can we give our Bharatiya people who are coming back to their homes not to leave their homes, to stay there and to contribute to the country from where they are? If we can create policy and an economic model that is strong at the block level, like Deepak Singhal ji said, 6,000 blocks across the country, can we think about policy that way, relearn and recalibrate? Perhaps it makes for a great case study and a discussion. We'll take this forward on Monday. For the moment, I've got to wind up this debate. Thank you to all our panelists for joining us this evening.